Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start in Safari because private browsing isolates history and cookies. First, open Safari on your iPhone, iPad, or Mac and make sure the app is updated. Outdated builds can lack features. Once done, close or bookmark important tabs so you don't lose work. If you use iCloud tabs or password sync, decide whether to disable sync temporarily to prevent cross-device traces. This helps maintain separation between private and regular sessions. Now you turn on private browsing directly. On iPhone or iPad, tap the tabs icon, select Private, then hit the plus to open a new private tab. On Mac, choose File New Private Window or press Shift-Command-N. This step prevents Safari from saving your browsing history, auto-fill information, and search terms locally. Make sure the Smart Search field or tab bar shows the distinctive private indicator so you know the session is active. Otherwise, you're still in normal mode. To finish, close all private tabs or simply exit the private window. This clears session data stored locally. If you suspect trackers or cookies remain, restart Safari and, if needed, toggle block all cookies or clear website data in settings to force a fresh state. If private sessions still appear in other devices, make sure Safari Sync is off in iCloud or sign out temporarily. This prevents cross-device history leaking. One troubleshooting tip: a restart often resolves lingering cache or indicator issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.